Hi, today's video replacing side curtain in Audi Q5, years 2014 to 2017. It could be more or applied to Volkswagen and others, but I want to limit this video to removing clips from the roof. The clip itself has two openings here that control this locking mechanism that is inside the roof. Now, in order to release this, you take this plastic piece, just push it down, take a small screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and you enter flat screwdriver like so, 90 degrees angle, and you grab that clip and you push it just a little bit outside. If you have two and I'm sure there is a tool, but if you grab two small screwdriver, good steel, just push them like this, you can wiggle this out. I've been searching on the internet everywhere, trying to find something for Audi Q5 or anything alike for removal and replace of side airbag curtain. I couldn't find anything. I felt compelled to make this small short video. I hope you like it and it was useful for you, informative. If it is, like and subscribe please, and thank you for watching.